Please, if you can get on this as fast as possible, it will be so good for you. The last 3 months is when these things are so much in high demand. There is no way you can be putting in the work, doing the right thing, and then you don't see the money coming in. I'm so excited about this video today, so let's just get into it. I want us to go to ChatGPT. All the links we are going to be talking about in this video will be in the description box down below. So when you go to ChatGPT, I want you to type, please give me 10 main Thanksgiving words for a Thanksgiving word search book for a kid age 6 to 10. So, and then I'll click enter. So while ChatGPT is doing its work for us, you know, my overcomers, I had already done my research and I've shown you in these previous videos how to do research on using BookBub, using things like Publisher Rocket. Everything I'll be talking about in this video will be in the description box down below. The reason I'm so excited is because we are getting into holiday seasons where we are going to be having so much sales on Thanksgiving, Christmas, and any kind of holiday book. So the method I'm going to be showing you, you can use it to make any kind of word search book. But today we are going to be doing a Thanksgiving word search book. So you'll see how easy it is to create this book. Thank God for technology, my overcomers. ChatGPT has already given us 10 different words. The next thing I want us to do is to say, please give me 10 words for each of these words above. So it's now going to give us 10 words for each. So the word search I'm going to be doing today, I'm just going to show you how to do it. So it's just going to be 10 words in the word search book that I'm going to be creating now, because it's just a sample. And if you are making yours, you could make 50, you could make 90, depending on the research that you've done. So the ideas I'm showing you here, my overcomers, just use it to create your own book with any number of pages. So, but today we are going to be doing 10 pages. So now ChatGPT has given us all our words. The next thing I want us to do is to copy this word individually. So we come here, we copy this. Now we copy. So I want you now to just go to Google, come here, search for Google Sheets. You just click on Google Sheet and then create a new Google Sheet. And then here you just paste the word here. And you go ahead and do the same and copy all the other ones and paste. So I've gone ahead, you copy all the other ones and just paste, and make sure you are skipping one space after each set of words. You skip the next page just like this. Until now my last set of words, I'll skip the next page and I paste it here. Now that we have all our words, the next thing I want you to do is to come to File, go to Download, and then you save it here as a CSV file. So the next thing I want us to do is to go to BookBub. So while here, I'll log in. So if you have an account, you log in. If you don't have an account, then you use the link down below to sign in. So while we are here, I want you to come here, click on Create, and then you go to the studio. So while you are here, I want you to come here, go to New Project. And then here, just leave this one like this. Here, let's put Thanksgiving. We are doing 8.5 by 11. Make sure you must have done your research and you already know what size of book you are creating. I want it to bleed because I'm going to put some decoration. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to do it. So you just create. Overcomers is so exciting. The year is coming to an end. I'm sure that we are working on our 5 different sources of income. If you are getting any value from this video, I encourage you to like it. And if this is your first time and you've never met me, my name is Delphine Tamukong. Or if you've been here for some time and you've not subscribed, please subscribe and become a part of the Overcoming family. To all my overcomers, love you. The puzzle I'm doing is going to have 10 pages. 10 pages for the word search, and it's going to also give us 10 pages for the solution. So we need 20 pages. So if you are making your own and it's 50 words, then you will need to put 100 pages here, because it's going to be 50 for the words and 50 for the solutions. So that's how it works. And you can put another extra page to just add this page belong to. Let me show you how I'm going to do mine. So we'll just leave it here at 24 and then we'll create. And I just want us to just leave that page for now. So what I want us to do is to come here. Then you go here to Big Zebel. And then just come here and type, something like flower border, and then you search, and then it's going to give you many different borders. So let's just take this one and use for our word search. These are simple things that you do that take you just a click, but it's going to make your book stand out. So with this, if you want to reduce the transparency, you just come here and make it a little bit lighter, and then you click OK. So the next thing I want us to do is just to come to this first page, and then you right click and then clone this page. You select everything, take out the cover, and then you clone. So just this one click is going to take this design and put on all the other pages. Life is easy. If you are not doing this yet, I don't know why you are not doing it, because the time in which we are living, everything is easy. You just have to put in the work and be patient a little bit, and then you see the money coming in. patience is one of the fruit of the spirit. There is no way you can be putting in the work, doing the right thing, and then you don't see the money coming in. So now we have all our pages set. The next thing I want us to do is to come here, click here, come to this first page, highlight everything, take out the cover. I want us to add page number to our book, and then we just come here. Then let's just come here, let's put it on the center, and let's take OK. So this is going to put page number. So you can see here page 4. This is page 4 here, and then it's going to put all our page numbers. Page 1 is right here. So the next thing I want us to do is to come here to text, and then take this heading. So you just put Thanksgiving word search, and now you click here and then bring it together. So I'm going to put something like this. The next thing I want us to do, we can just come and take another text here. The next thing I want us to do is to put this book belong to. You make sure it lines up, and then you can just come here to element, you take a text, take your time and make everything look good. Then the next thing that we have to do when you are done, you just come here, you click here, and then you scroll down until you get to where we have puzzles here. And then you just come and you select the first half. Then if you are making 50 pages, then you will have 100 pages. So you select the first half so that the solutions will be on the other half. Then I'm going to unselect this because I've already used that one. So now when we have all our pages selected, we'll just come here. I don't want any reverse word, so you just leave it like this, how you want your solution to be. I want the solutions to be gray, so this is fine. And yes, I want my solutions to appear after the puzzle. I want it to start from short word to long word, and everything looks perfect. And then we'll just come here and upload our CVS file. So I'll go to wherever I saved it. So here we go, and then I'll come now and I'll upload our CVS file. So we have it uploaded. The next thing, you just have to click next, and you submit. And see BookBub do the work for us, more overcomers. It's so easy. Imagine that you want to design this thing by hand. Look at how easy it was for us to get the word, and look at how easy it is for us to create a puzzle and then get our solutions. So now everything is settled. Look at it, our words are here, our design is so pretty. So we have this page looking good. The next page, this is page 2. You can just go down and check your puzzle and make sure everything is okay. If you need to make any adjustment, you can always click on top and change anything that you want to change, fix any design that you want to fix. And let's just go down and look at how our solutions are looking. So here is our solution. It's looking so good, my overcomers. Look at how easy it was for us to create this. So when you are done with everything, now the next thing we have to do is to do our cover. So we just come to Pixabay here and type Thanksgiving, maybe design, Thanksgiving flowers, whatever thing. You just take your time and look for it. And so I'll just go along with this one for now, since I don't want the video to be too long. I can take this. So we can just take this and put here like this. The next thing I want us to do is to go back, and then I saw this. We can put this here. Then we can come here to text, and then take a text like this one, and then type Thanksgiving word search. So then what you can do, my overcomer, is that you can come to the solution. So the solution was here. You can come to this solution page and then download just this page. You go here to download, and then you download current page. So now what I want us to do is to come here and then go to upload image. You upload a page that you just downloaded. We bring it up here. Now we have it here downloaded, and now we just reduce it here, adjust it to look beautiful. So at this point, to make your book very attractive, what you can do is that you can download about 4 of the solutions and put it behind your book so that customers will be able to see what they are buying. So you just do something like this. Take your time. You can, if you like, you can put like the solution somewhere here again, but I think it might be too much. So maybe we can put like a big turkey here. So what we can do is that we can take this turkey that is having a plain background and just put it in front here, and then we have something like this. So when you are done with everything, make sure you take your time to make your design look good. So when you are done with everything, you just come to download and download this, and it's going to download everything for us. And now, overcomers, you can just follow this video that I've already made and see how you can upload your book on Amazon KDP. So keep working hard, and remember that our goal is at least 5 different sources of income by the end of this year. So I want to encourage you to like this video, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and become a part of the Overcoming family, and share this video with someone that you think will be interested in having this knowledge too. Love you all so much. Bye bye.
Since we laid down